Hello, my friends. Now my 10th is, hope you people are fine and preparing for your term 1 exam. So for that, now I have brought another chapter for physics, that is chapter human eye and colorful world. As you know, in this term, like last year also in this session, again, some of the topic have been deleted. So I'm not covering those topic in my video. I will only focus on the topic on the topics which are coming in your exam. So let's start the topic. What I'm going to take you, that is in this video, that is it's a part A of the chapter, that is dispersion of light and formation of rainbow. So let's start. As you are quite aware of dispersion of light, because you people are doing in since grade 7, that what is dispersion, how the spectrum forms and all. But now as you are in grade 10, so we have to learn little more about the same. Now the angles, how the angles are formed when the ray of light enters in you can say prism, and you must have done practicals also for the same. So let's understand what the figure is saying here. If you see over here, observe that this figure, the same figure is given in your book also. So what is that PE? The PE or PQ, that is what this is your incident ray. The incident ray which is falling on the prism surface, and what will happen? This is you can say eye angle. This is incident angle that we are making between what? Between the normal and N1 is the normal, that you are making the angle between normal and the incident ray, that is angle of incidence. When the ray of light will enter inside the prism, then you can say EF is a refracted ray. EF is a refracted ray. And can you observe this? These two angles, R1 and R2, these are angle of refraction. Now again, one time refraction has been taken place. Now what will happening? This ray of light will come out from the prism. The second refraction is happening, and the ray which is coming out, that is FS. This is your emergent ray. And that is making angle E, emergent angle, between what? Between the normal N dash, N1 dash, and that you can say FS emergent ray. So this is how you can make angle. Now two normals we have made here, N and N1, and N dash and N1 dash, right? Again, I'm repeating, PE is incident ray, EF is refracted ray, and FS is emergent ray, right? Angle I, which is made between incident ray PE and the normal N1, that is incident angle. The angle between, there are two refraction angles are there, refractive angles are there, that is R1 and R2 between refracted ray, that is EF, and two normals. And the last emergent angle, that is between the emergent ray, that is FS, and the normal, another normal, that is N dash, N1 dash. Now this is A angle. Can you see over here? The naming is A also. The angle name is also A. This is your angle of prism. This is called angle of prism. And can one more angle you can see over here, D angle. What is a D angle? That is a deviation angle. Means this angle will tell you how much deviation has been taken place when the ray of light is entering inside the prism and when it is coming out. So this angle will be formed between two rays. Between what two rays? Incident ray, that PE ray, which is incident ray, they are extended it to H point. This is incident, the whole is incident ray. And can you see here, FS ray, which is emergent ray, it is extended backward to G point. So this is emergent ray. The angle between the two lines, that is the deviation angle. This angle will tell how much deviation has been taken place when the ray of light is coming and moving out. That is the one. Now, so what is a dispersion? Let's recall what you people already done in the junior classes. That is when the white light splits into, when it splits into 7 color, but itself it is not splitting. When it is passing through a transparent medium like prism, then this dispersion, that this phenomenon is known as dispersion of white light, because white light is made up of how many colors? 7 colors. But generally, if it is not passing through such material, then we are not able to see any such color. We only see it as a white color light. But when it passes through a prism, the angles, they bend to you can say with different angle, because the speed changes when it enters, the white light enters into the prism. So because of that, they split out and we can see the spectrum. The band of 7 colors, which we see right on the screen when white light is passing through. And so many examples also you must have seen. जैसे आपने सीडी में देखा होगा, सीडी इज अ कॉम्पैक्ट डिस्क जो आपने देखते हो, अगर आप सनलाइट उस पे फॉल करती है तो देन आल्सो यू कैन सी समटाइम वी कैन सी द वाटर सरफेस पे हमें थोड़ा सा हमें कलर्स दिखते हैं, and we can see the rainbow is a natural spectrum that we will talk about rainbow also in detail, and your prism you must have done it. So what are the 7 colors? This violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. But how to learn the color? This is simple. You have to learn it by Vibgyor. V stand as violet, I is indigo, B is blue, G green, Y yellow, O orange, and R red. But how you will write the Vibgyor? Is simple way or inverted way? You write inverted way. I will show the diagram also to you. So this band of 7 colors known as spectrum. So as I told you, because when it enters in prism, all the 7 color they bend with different angle, so the speed also changes. And which color bends the most? ये बहुत बार MCQ में पूछा जाता है कि which color bends the most? That is violet color. And which color bends least? That is red color. And red color is having the maximum wavelength also. That's why we see from the distance. वो हम अपने upcoming videos में हम पढ़ेंगे उसके बारे में. Okay, so this is what your prism जो हमने आपने पहले बहुत बार बनाया होगा 7th में 8th class में. So can you see here? But still some students they do the mistake when they write the Vibgyor. The Vibgyor is inverted way. Vibgyo. Don't write like this. Just write inverted way. And one more thing, what the kind of mistake what I've seen when the white light enters in prism, and you have to show the angles has been changed. It should not be a straight line, right? And again, when it comes out, when the band of same color comes out from the prism, then again you have to show the direction has been changing. Well, refraction means what? Actually, it is a refraction only. So if 2-time refraction has been taken place, you have to show the direction has been changed. Don't draw the straight line. This kind of mistake I've seen means generally in students, some students they still do this kind of mistake to avoid that. Now the white light, as we have discussed, that this is made up of 7 colors. That's why we can see the band of 7 colors. Monochromatic means what? Which is made of only single color. एक ही वेवलेंथ की लाइट बनती है, सिंगल की होती है. एग्जांपल आपका है सोडियम लाइट, इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ मोनोक्रोमेटिक. पोली मींस मेनी, मेड ऑफ मेनी यू कैन से कलर, दैट यू कैन से व्हाइट लाइट जिसको हम प्रिज्म में देख रहे हैं, दैट इज व्हाट पॉलीक्रोमेटिक लाइट. रिकॉम्बिनेशन, अब हमने बोला प्रिज्म में जो व्हाइट लाइट पास हुआ तो वी कैन सी द 7 कलर्स. क्या हम उसको दोबारा 7 कलर्स को रिकम्बाइन करके क्या व्हाइट लाइट ले सकते हैं? डेफिनेटली वी कैन डू. अवर ग्रेट साइंटिस्ट दैट न्यूटन, he has done the same thing. He found that first he placed you can say the normally he placed you can say prism where the 7 colors are coming out as a spectrum. Then beside that he has placed one more prism in inverted position. So when those 7 colors they were passing through the second inverted you can say prism, then it was coming as at a white light. So that discovery also was done by great Newton, and that we can see the picture also here. White light, it is coming as a spectrum. Then when you place another prism in inverted position, the 7 colors coming inside the prism, and then they are coming out as a white light. So this is what the recombination of colors also we can just do. ऐसे question भी पूछे जाते हैं. So theory part you have to do it properly. Okay, now we have the rainbow. What is rainbow? Rainbow is also you can say the effect of you can say dispersion, the spectrum what we have observed in artificial rainbow, you can say prism. The naturally also it is formed in nature. And how? Because where is the prism, then where is the light? So we'll see that after rain, when the rain is there and suddenly the sun appears, what happens? The sun is there, it's white light. After rain, the raindrop which is present in the atmosphere, they behave as a tiny prism, and the white light, if they fall inside it in such a way at such angle that they are forming the spectrum. You always observe कि sun के सामने rainbow बनता है, right? Clouds के ऊपर cloud is behaving as a screen. So in this way, it is always opposite. When white light is coming and it is passing through the prism, that means the tiny droplets, and is forming the beautiful rainbow. Everyone just loves to watch it. Now what is the physics behind that? Okay, rainbow सबको पसंद है देखना, सबको पता है, चलो ये चीज तो सबको पता है, white light है, prism है, ये हमने पहले ही पढ़ा है. Now what else? Now we have to just upgrade our knowledge as you are in grade 10. So what are the 3 phenomena that are taking place in the formation of rainbow? That is refraction हो रहा है, dispersion हो रहा है. That's why the 7 colors we are observing, and internal reflection also coming. The you can say total internal reflection also coming, and how then I will show. I will explain you through the picture. So what are the 3 phenomena taking place? Refraction, dispersion, and internal reflection. Total internal reflection also is taking place, and this is how the rainbow is formed. So let's watch. Now you just see this rainbow diagram. Okay, so this is the circular, what you can say, sun is there, the circle is you can say raindrop is there, whitehead is coming. Now whitehead is coming because it is entering from air to raindrop. So this is what is happening, refraction, because the change in direction is happening. It's entering into this another medium, right? Refraction यहाँ पे हो गया. Now what will happen, जैसे ही वो अंदर गया, because it is a prism, it is behaving as a prism, it splits into 7 colors. They are falling in such an angle. This light is falling at such an angle that it is forming 7 color dispersion. तो 7 color का band बना तो ये dispersion हो. अभी क्या है, अभी रेन ड्रॉप है तो अभी ये बाहर नहीं निकलेगी. अच्छा, वो ऐसा नहीं कि सब रेन ड्रॉप में होता है, वो डिपेंड करता है, आपका डिपेंड करता है कि वो बाहर नहीं निकलेगी, वो इस एंगल से वो फॉल करे, तो उसको बोलते हैं क्रिटिकल एंगल. द क्रिटिकल एंगल आल्सो आई विल एक्सप्लेन in next slide to you. So what is that happening? Total internal reflection is happening. So यहाँ पे रिफ्लेक्शन नहीं हो रहा, नहीं तो है तो ट्रांसपेरेंट मीडियम, इट शुड गो आउट, but it is happening total internal reflection. Even we have transparent medium, so it will just reflecting back, and this is called total internal reflection. Then again, what is happening, is coming out as a refraction. Again, refraction is taking place, and then we can see here, we can observe the rainbow, the beautiful rainbow. So this is how the formation of rainbow we have. Now, what is that? How the total internal reflection? What do you mean by that? How? What is the critical angle? What the term I use it here? So let's watch it. Now, this is what the you can say critical angle. देखो क्या होता है critical angle में, जब आपके पास दो मीडियम ऐसे हैं जो ट्रांसपेरेंट मीडियम है, जहाँ पे रिफ्रेक्शन ही होना चाहिए, लेकिन अभी यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, अभी यहाँ पे रिफ्रेक्शन ना होके what is happening here? अगर आप पहले फर्स्ट पिक्चर देखो, when the angle of incident equal to the critical angle, the angle of refraction 90 डिग्री. तो यहाँ पे जब आपका critical angle वो एंगल होता है जहाँ पे मैक्सिमम एंगल वो होता है जहाँ पे रिफ्रेक्शन इज पॉसिबल. अगर आपने उसके बियॉन्ड अगर आप गए एंगल में, इंसिडेंट एंगल में, तो आपका रिफ्रेक्शन नहीं होकर रिफ्लेक्शन होगा. सो आई कैन यू सी इट हियर. तो हर एक मेटेरियल का अपना क्रिटिकल एंगल होता है. अगर आप उस क्रिटिकल एंगल को, व्हाट इज क्रिटिकल एंगल, वो क्रिटिकल एंगल होता है, वो मैक्सिमम एंगल होता है जहां पे रिफ्रेक्शन पॉसिबल है. अगर आप उस एंगल को क्रॉस कर देते हो तो वहां पे क्या होने लगता है, फिर वहां पे कैन यू सी हियर द सेकंड पिक्चर, व्हेन एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंट इज ग्रेटर देन द क्रिटिकल एंगल, all light undergoes reflection, right? This is what is happening over here. So what is happening, can you see picture here? So this is what यहाँ पे क्या है, critical angle से लिखा है कि वो कम है, it is equal to critical angle. अगर कम है या critical angle के equal है तो refraction हुआ, लेकिन जैसे ही उसने critical angle को cross किया तो now reflection has been taken place. ये आप ज्यादा डिटेलिंग में पढ़ोगे in grade 12. grade 12 में आप ज्यादा डिटेलिंग में यहाँ पे पढ़ोगे. In senior class you will just do it. So this is one of the you should know, have some idea for that. So this is about how the rainbow forms and all. So thank you so much everyone. I hope you understood this topic, dispersion and the rainbow formation. So we'll come soon with another video, the same chapter, that is atmosphere refraction, right? So till the time, take care, bye, and don't forget to just share with others, subscribe it and support it. Thank you so much.